A major Nigerian record label just got its assets frozen by a court. This is Nigeria News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover how a singer's fight for unpaid royalties has led to a dramatic legal seizure that could shut down an entire music empire. Meet Praise Ugede Adejo, better known as Praiz, a star born from MTN Project fame. He signed with X3M Music in 2010 and gave them a decade of his career. But here's the twist. He left in 2020 and now he's back with a legal bombshell. He claims the label owes him money, earnings from his time there that were never paid. This isn't just a small dispute. This is a fight that could dismantle a major player in Nigeria's entertainment scene, and the court just took Praiz's side in a massive way. The legal battle started in June last year. Praiz filed an application over this alleged unpaid debt, but here's what nobody's talking about: the scale of what he asked for. On June 17, 2026, his lawyer, Benita Alalo, didn't just ask for money. She petitioned the court to appoint a provisional liquidator. That's a person who takes control of everything. The request was for this liquidator to take custody of all of X3M Music's assets. And we're talking everything: tangible and intangible. That means physical property, bank accounts, and even intellectual property like song rights. The petition also sought to completely restrain the label's management. They wanted them locked out of their own accounts and barred from touching any assets during the case. For months, the label fought it. But then, on February 9, 2026, Justice Ambrose Louis Alagoa dropped a ruling that sent shockwaves. The judge granted the order. He appointed an expert as the provisional liquidator. The court directed this liquidator to take charge of all traceable assets belonging to X3M Music. But here's the part that will blow your mind. The ruling didn't just freeze assets. It barred everyone. The company's management, employees, agents, directors, and shareholders are now forbidden from operating its funds in any Nigerian financial institution under any guise. They can't touch the money. The court also issued an injunction preventing the label from tampering with its own assets, properties, machinery, or tools of trade. A copy of the judgment was served to the company's litigation manager, Nsikek Akin. The order is clear: the respondent must not interfere with the provisional liquidator's statutory duties. This is a temporary forfeiture, a complete corporate freeze, and X3M Music isn't just some small studio. It's a subsidiary of X3M Ideas, a major Lagos-based digital advertising agency owned by music executive Steve Babaeko. This case has implications far beyond one artist. It's a stark warning to the entire Nigerian entertainment industry about artist contracts and royalty payments. The case has been adjourned to March 10, 2026, for the final hearing and determination of the winding up petition. That's the date the court will decide if the company should be permanently liquidated. Some say Praiz is fighting for what's rightfully his after a decade of work. Others say this legal nuclear option could destroy a business and the livelihoods of everyone else there. But if the debt is real, what other choice did he have? Do you think seizing a company's entire assets is a fair way to settle an artist's debt? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Nigeria News Update today for more breaking news from the world of entertainment and justice.